Welcome to our new video, Harness the Power of Guided Meditation, 5 Life-Changing Benefits. In this video, we will explore the profound effects of guided meditation and discover how it can revolutionize your life. Join us as we embark on a journey of self-discovery and transformation. Picture yourself in a serene natural setting, surrounded by tranquility and beauty. As you close your eyes and take a deep breath, you begin to immerse yourself in the world of guided meditation. Guided meditation is a practice that involves the use of a recorded or live voiceover, gently guiding you through the meditation process. It helps you relax, focus your mind, and achieve a state of deep relaxation. As you listen to the gentle and soothing voice guiding you, you allow yourself to let go of stress, worries, and distractions. Each word spoken takes you deeper into a state of inner peace and tranquility. Now, let's explore the 5 life-changing benefits of guided meditation. Reduce stress and anxiety. Guided meditation provides a powerful tool for managing stress and anxiety. By focusing your attention on the present moment, you can release tension and find a sense of calm within. As you meditate, visualize a peaceful scene unfolding before your eyes. Let go of any negative thoughts or worries and allow yourself to be fully present in this moment of tranquility. Improved focus and concentration. Through regular practice of guided meditation, you can sharpen your focus and enhance your concentration. By training your mind to remain present and mindful, you cultivate the ability to stay attentive and engaged in every aspect of your life. Imagine yourself fully immersed in a task, completely absorbed and undistracted. With improved focus and concentration, you become more productive and efficient in everything you do. Enhance self-awareness. Guided meditation serves as a gateway to self-discovery and self-awareness. By directing your attention inward, you can explore your thoughts, emotions, and beliefs with curiosity and compassion. Take a moment to reflect on your thoughts and emotions. Notice how they arise and pass, without judgment or attachment. This heightened self-awareness brings clarity and a deeper understanding of yourself. Cultivating inner peace. Within the depths of guided meditation lies a profound sense of inner peace. By regularly nurturing this inner space, you create a sanctuary where you can find solace and harmony amidst the chaos of daily life. Picture yourself in a tranquil environment, surrounded by stillness and serenity. As you meditate, feel the gentle breeze on your skin and the warmth of the sun enveloping you, bringing a sense of peace that permeates every cell of your being. Emotional well-being and mindfulness. Guided meditation fosters emotional well-being and mindfulness. By observing your thoughts and emotions without judgment, you cultivate a deep sense of acceptance and compassion towards yourself and others. Imagine extending kindness and compassion to yourself, acknowledging your strengths, and embracing your imperfections. As you do so, you create a foundation of emotional resilience and a greater capacity to navigate life's challenges. Guided meditation is a powerful tool for self-transformation and personal growth. By harnessing its benefits, you can unlock the vast potential within you, leading to a more fulfilling and balanced life. Thank you for joining us on this journey of discovering the life-changing benefits of guided meditation. We encourage you to incorporate this transformative practice into your daily routine and experience the profound effects it can have on your well-being. Remember, the power to create positive change lies within you. As we conclude, envision yourself in a state of deep relaxation and inner peace, radiating a sense of tranquility and harmony. May your journey with guided meditation be filled with profound discoveries and lasting transformation.